Did you know your flooring could be the reason people slip in your home or business? Most floors look great, but become dangerous the moment they get wet. Today, I'm going to show you why cork flooring is one of the safest surfaces available, and how it compares to vinyl, laminate, and tile using real lab test data. Fauna Swiss cork flooring was tested using the ASTM E303 British Pendulum test, one of the most trusted slip resistance tests in the industry. Here are the results. Dry 50, wet 43. That means strong grip even when moisture is present. The higher the number, the safer the floor. Anything above 45 is considered high traction. So cork flooring scores: excellent when dry, safe and stable when wet. Now let's compare that to other flooring types. Vinyl flooring, it can feel slippery, especially when wet. Laminate, one of the most slippery surfaces once water is involved. Tile, either too slippery if polished or too hard if textured. But cork, natural grip, slight cushioning. Much safer if someone falls. This is why so many families choose cork. Safer for kids, safer for seniors, safer for everyday living. It's not just about flooring, it's about peace of mind. Now, no floor is 100% slip-proof, but cork gives you something most floors don't: a better safety margin. If you're considering new flooring, don't just look at color, look at safety. Order a sample today and feel the difference yourself. And if you need the official slip test report for your project, just contact us. We'll send it to you. Safer, quieter, and more comfortable. That's cork flooring.